ਪੁੱਤਰ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਾਂ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਮੌਲਾ
All I want to say is it was 100% worth the wait. Loved it.
Fawad Khan and Hamza and Myra, they never cease to astonish us with the amazing acting and the script and the great sense of humor that they had and the wit they had, amazing. So we are really proud of this Bilal Ashari's shoot, and we're hoping great things for our Pakistan cinema coming forward.
This was a new chapter for Pakistan cinema. Spellbinding, mesmerizing. Still have goosebumps from this. I think Ashari hit it out of the park this time. Great.
The movie was great. I don't understand Punjabi, but subtitles were great help. So I would say great acting of Hamza Basi and Fawad Ali Khan. Thank you.
Absolutely loved the movie. It was a lot of fun to watch. And yeah, I don't understand Punjabi, but you can totally enjoy it even if you don't. So great movie, must see.
Totally different movie. I could not believe it's a Bollywood production. ऐसी production, storyline, cast. I mean, as you all know, one of the best. Be it Fawad Khan or Myra Khan. It was one of the best casts. बहुत अच्छी movie थी. और स्पेशली जो यहाँ पे लोग आए और यंग जनरेशन ने जिस तरह से उसको अप्रिशिएट किया, आई एम पॉजिटिव कि इसको पाकिस्तानी सिनेमा के साथ नई जनरेशन को कनेक्ट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम it will be a new beginning for the generation living in Canada to connect with Pakistani cinema.
It was an amazing effort, worth waiting, and I believe like everyone has played their part really well, and that's it. Like kudos to everyone. Yeah, it was very good, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. और सबका काम बहुत अच्छा था. Fawad Khan, I love Noori. It was great. He was great.
Maula without Noori. Movie was absolutely fantastic. Well worth the wait. Obviously, it's a reboot, so there's a lot of tension with the reboot, but I think they did it justice. I think Sultan Rai's spirit is very happy right now, and everyone did a great job. Absolutely fantastic, and it's brought the level up of Pakistani cinema to match anything in Hollywood.
It was a really well made movie by Bilal Ashari, and the acting was fantastic. The chemistry from the two actors, Myra and Fawad, was amazing, and I would definitely watch it again.
Yeah, the special effects were amazing. The story was amazing. Really enjoyed it.
It's amazing. The action, the costume, the sequence is just amazing. Represents Pakistan industry, like one of the best movies Pakistan has ever made.
I thought it was amazing. Like the action, the dialogue, everything. I thought it was hilarious for when the joking scenes came on. And what I loved most about it was the fact that my parents grew up watching the original Maula Jutt movie. So it's really great that I got to grow up watching a version of it remade as well. So it was great.
It was a good movie. We really enjoyed it. And Shana, what do you think? Tell us.
Well, I think wonderful project. As I said before, that remaking it was really hard. It is always hard, and they did good job. I like the costumes. I like the set. I think they worked hard more on the set as well. And Fawad Khan once again was 100%. He performed 100%. And Myra was good too.
visual effects are fantastic. Love Noori Nath. Love Faiz Shafi. It was absolutely fantastic. And I'm so glad to see movies like this in Pakistan now. It's amazing.